Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be getting back into the silky full lace wig from Nadula Hair. As you guys know, I already proclaimed this as the silkiest wig ever, but if you guys aren't familiar, this is a full lace wig. It is 22 inches and it is super duper silky. If you haven't seen my last video of me customizing it and doing all that good stuff, go ahead and check it out because it's definitely important to understand this video, and it's already live, so why not? This is how the wig was looking after we left last video. You can see it's silky, it's plucked, it's bleached, everything is done. The baby hairs are even out, but if you didn't watch the last video, you wouldn't know that those are going to get cut off in this video. But you can see I'm just trying on the wig real quick, just make sure it fits my head. Then right here, I'm just cutting off the back lace just because it's a full lace wig, it has lace in the back. As you can see right here, I didn't cut it all the way off, and that's because I was thinking about gluing down my back later to put it into a ponytail. So right here, I'm just cutting off my ear tabs. Don't be scared to cut hair off. It won't hurt, and it makes it lay way better. So I just went ahead and cut off that little veil because it was really all up in my face. So we just had to cut it off real quick. You can see right here, I'm starting my gluing process already. As usual, I forgot to cut the tabs, but I'm about to do that in a second. So yeah, just cut your tabs first. You don't want to wait like I did. It doesn't make sense too. And then I just put my hair in a ponytail while I glue it down because that's how I like to do it. So you see, I'm just doing my gluing process. If you guys don't know or you're new, I use Got2b spray to glue down my wigs because with back-to-back reviews, I needed my hair to come out very quickly, and I need an easy, quick way to put them on also. But you basically spray it and you just blow dry it and then it's done. It's the easiest thing ever, I promise. People always say people on YouTube make it look so easy. No, it really is easy. But as you can see here, I'm cutting off the lace in the front. This is where I realized that I messed up and my baby hairs was way too far ahead of my hairline. Like I said, if you didn't watch the last video, you don't know, but I overplucked the area behind my baby hairs so much, y'all. It's crazy, but it's so pretty though. Like, I can't explain it. I just had to cut the baby hairs off. The hairline behind it is beautiful, but the baby hairs are too far away from that hairline. It was really weird putting it on, and I can't tell if it's because of the baby hairs that I messed up. As you can see, I just went ahead and pulled out some sideburns before I touched up the glue. If you do see white edges like this, you're going to need to go back in with whatever glue or adhesive you're using. I'm using my spray and I'm just going in and touching up those white edges to make them lay down flat to my skin. The lace is so weird. Like, it's flat on my head, but it's discolored, and this is my bad, but if this is you and you're watching this and you want your hair to lay, you should add makeup. I didn't because I had another review to do right after this one. So I just went ahead and bit the bullet and just started doing baby hairs. I want you guys to know that on the areas that I did baby hairs, as you can see, it laid and blended so beautifully. But if you're not doing baby hairs, you're just going to need to add some makeup, or hopefully your application goes a little bit smoother. But you guys know that my wigs usually lay very flat, so I was kind of shocked. All I'm doing now is touching up and blow drying that front part, and then we're pretty much done because my baby hairs are already finished. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking. I actually just came back from somewhere. I went to get my nails done, but here it is, still holding down with the Got2b spray. My wigs don't move until about the second or third day. Usually the second day, just because I'm pretty rough on them because I take the wig off within the next 2 days to get my next review out. But yeah, this is how it's looking. I love this hair so much. I was rushing during my install because I had an appointment. So I feel like I could have did better. I did notice something really weird. The lace is kind of dark, which is weird and unusual because usually it's too light and then you add your foundation. But I feel this might be a good problem to have for some of my actual brown skin girls, because I know I'm like on the verge of light. So that being said, the next thing I want to address is hair quality. As you can see, this hair is very shiny. It's very, one thing I can feel by feeling the hair, it's very strong. Like the strands are really thick, and you guys know I don't usually, if you watch my videos, I don't usually go into detail on like stuff like that, but it's something that I picked up on this wig because someone with naturally straight thick hair, this is how their hair would feel. Now this is a beautiful wig for creative hairstyles like half up half down. You can do braids, you can do all of that. You will find all those hairstyles are done on full lace wigs. You can even put this into a ponytail like I said in the beginning of the video. If you guys want a video on that, let me know. But my favorite thing about this hair is the shine. It looks kind of dull right now, and that's just because I've been out and about. It's been raining, so obviously the hair has a little bit of like frizz to it, but when I straighten it, it'll look however my thumbnail looks. I'm gonna flatten it for the thumbnail, so yeah, it will look like silky. It like blows in the wind, which I thought was so cool when I went outside. That's how you know you get that good hair. I consider the density they gave me a very natural density, but without further ado, we're gonna get into the stats so I can tell you exactly what that density is. The wig in my head is 180% density. It's their straight full lace wig in 22 inches. And right at this exact moment, it is running for $186.31. Keep that in mind if you're interested in purchasing it. That is an extremely good deal on a full lace wig. I'm telling you from experience because I was just in market for one a month ago before they contacted me, and I can promise you from the bottom of my heart, they're not that cheap, and if they are that cheap, they're not good quality, and you cannot find reviews that really show you the hair. If it's not affordable to you, of course you can go down on the length or whatever, but for this length you will not find a full lace wig that is this nice. And this touches my butt, and I am a stallion standing at 5'9", so keep that in mind. But without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go. Let me know what you think in the description box. Let me know how you're feeling about this hair, and let me know if you purchased it. Of course, I would love to know if you actually went through with it and got a hold of this amazing deal while it lasts, because I'm pretty sure it's their fall sale, but I'm not 100% sure. You could check in the description box. All the information will be down there. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.